Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Dollar Tree Easter DIY for you. We're going to take one of the little Dollar Tree Easter bunny bags, and we're actually going to convert it into like a little burlap bag for bunny bait. So how I'm going to do that is I just cut the triangle ears off the top to make it just a regular burlap bag, and we're just going to use the back of it. I'm going to use some of the Dollar Tree ink and some of the letter stampers. I actually got those at Dollar General, and we are going to stamp it. I wasn't sure if the ink would go all the way through, so I did put a little cardboard in mine, but it didn't go through at all, so you'd probably be fine without it. And we're just going to stamp our words on here. It doesn't have to be perfect at all. I do kind of want it to look a little bit grungy, and we're going to weather this bag a little bit. And then I want to fill it up with some of the Dollar Tree string carrots for a little bag of bunny bait. It's going to stand up all on its own, and it turned out so cute. So let me stamp all the letters here, bunny bait, looking good. And then to weather it, we're just going to use coffee. I'm just using dry coffee grounds. And as you can see, I'm just pushing it into the bag with my finger. It's going to give it a really weathered look. And I think this method works a little bit better than getting it wet for this. Now on the back, I want to do a lot. So to kind of cover up in that little bunny face on the back, it's on the back, it doesn't really matter, but I kind of want everything to be nice and distressed. And I'm going to have it kind of folded open like this. So I'm going to go ahead and use some of the coffee grounds on that as well. Just remember this part is really messy, so definitely put something down before you start working with the coffee grounds. But it worked out really well. Now I'm going to glue the opening. It kind of falls apart a little bit on the sides there, which is fine because I'm just going to glue it open anyway, and we have a little bag for our bunny bait. Now you're going to need something to weigh down the bottom. I'm going to use some of the Dollar Tree pebbles, but you could use rice, beans, rocks, whatever you have. Just something to weigh it down and make it stand up. Then to fill it up, I'm just going to use a little polyfill. Dollar Tree now carries polyfill, which is fine. I love that. But you could also use it like from an old Pella or something like that, or any kind of filler. Now for the top, we're just going to do some of the brown floral moss from Dollar Tree and fill up the rest of the bag with that. The string carrots that I got were the ones on the picks, but you can always modify the ones that aren't on the picks. This just makes it just a little bit easier. I am just going to shorten them a little bit. They're really easy to break, the little picks on there, and stick those down. It's kind of nice having the pebbles on the bottom because it kind of gives you some leverage, something to kind of work the skewer down into. I thought mine were a little taller than I wanted, so I am just going to shorten mine a little bit and rearrange them until I'm happy with it. But I definitely like the idea of doing 3. I always like to work with odd numbers on items like this, and I think it turned out really cute. So here it is, our little bag of bunny bait for Easter. Super cute and easy, using items from the Dollar Tree. If you'd like more Easter or Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach or my website, craftybeach.net. Happy crafting!